Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 10 of the mutual fund. And this illustration is based on the indifference level. Indifference level means suppose one investor is going to invest by on in a capital market, and he is going to receive one return, and the other investor is going to invest through the mutual fund in the capital market. In that case, what should be the return percentage from the mutual fund return percentage, so that both the investor has the same return? That is the one indifference level of EBI, indifference level of mutual fund return. In this, please read the questions here. In this case, suppose this is a one investor and this is the other investor. This is going to invest in the capital market directly, and he has some return percentage. Okay, now this investor is going to invest through the mutual fund. Then what, this investor will have to face issue cost, and other cost is recurring expenses means day to day expenditure of mutual fund. This is the issue cost. At the time of investment through the mutual fund, you need to pay some cost. That cost is said to be the mutual fund, okay, and issue cost. In this case, the return percentage of this investor and return percentage of this investor both will be equal, and that return percentage is said to be return indifference level. Okay, in this case formula is developed. Return percentage by on investment must be equal to 1 minus issue cost before your money is going to deducted by the issue cost. Okay, suppose 1% issue cost, then you will invest, suppose 100 rupees here, 1% in issue cost, then you will invest 100. 1 minus 0.01, that equal to, you will invest in mutual fund 99 only, because 1 rupees is incurred for the investment in mutual fund in initial expenses. Okay, that is the issue cost. Now this equal to multiplied by mutual fund return. Out of this return, each and every day one expenditure incurred, that expenditure is said to be recurring expenses. This must be equal, that is said to be recurring, that is said to be the indifference level. This is the formula is applied. Return from on investment equal to 1 minus issue cost, bracket mutual fund return minus recurring expenses. Okay, you have to apply this formula. Okay, please read the questions here. Mr. Karan can earn return 16% by investing equity share his own. It means the return from on investment is here. Return from on investment is 16%. Return percentage from on investment is 16%. Return percentage from on investment is 16%. Now he is considering to recently announced equity based mutual fund scheme in which initial expenses 5.7%. Initial expenses is 5.7%. Initial expenses. Annual recurring expenses is 1.7%. Annual recurring expenses is 1.7%. How much should the mutual fund return provide Mr. Kiran a return 16% equal? How much return should be mutual fund should have, so that it will be equivalent to 16% return of Kiran? Okay, now what is the formula? indifference level return formula. Indifference level return, indifference level return percentage from on investment. This must be equal to 1 minus issue cost. This is equal to mutual fund investment return minus recurring expenses. Mutual fund return expenses minus recurring expenses. So this is given 16%. 1 minus issue cost. What is the issue cost? 5.7%. 0.057. 1 minus issue cost. Mutual fund investment return. Mutual fund investment return. This is suppose X. This is recurring expenses 1.7. 1.7. This is your 0.017. Okay, and this is taken as a percentage. This is 0.16. Now, or 0.16 equal to 0.16 equal to 0.943 x minus 0.017, or x minus 0.017 16% divided by 0.943 x equal to 16% divided by 0.943 plus 0.017, or x equal to 16 divided by this is 16.967% plus 0.017. After adding this, you will have 18.667, that equal to x equal to 0.18667. This is the return percentage from mutual fund. There must be return percentage from mutual fund 18.667%. 18.667% to equal to, for equivalent return of Kiran 16%. Okay, this question is completed. Now please see the next questions. Exactly it is the same question, that is question number 13. Illustration number 13 here. Look at it. You can earn a return 13% by investing in equity share by ON. By ON you are going to return 13%. You are considering recently announced equity mutual fund scheme where initial expenses, initial issue cost, this is issue cost 7%. You believe that a mutual fund scheme will earn 16.5%. 16.5%. At what recurring expenses in percentage term will you have in difference between investing in this? It means you have to calculate recurring expenses in this case. The indifference level of return is the same thing. Return difference level of return percentage. Indifference level of return percentage. indifference level of return percentage. Return percentage by on investment 1 minus issue cost mutual fund return percentage 1 recurring expenses percentage. Okay, that is given here 13%. 1 minus 0.07, this is given 16.5%, this is given x, or 13% 0.93, that is 16.5, or 0.13 divided by 0.93, 0.165 minus x, or x equal to this. After dividing you will have 13.978. After dividing you will have 0.13978, 0.165 minus 0.13978, or x equal to 0.165 minus 0.13978, 0.0252, that is 2.52. Recurring expenses must be equal to 2.52 for indifference level of return. Indifference level of return. These are the easy questions. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.